Hello everyone, welcome to Speaklux. Today we will do Ielts Part 1 and topic is music. First question is:
what music do you like?
Well, I like all sorts of music, from classical to rock to hip-hop. I appreciate groovy beats, sick rhymes, and soulful lyrics that hit me right in the feels. I've got a real ear for good music. Groovy beats means highly stimulating or attractive music.
What music do you dislike?
There's some music that just doesn't float my boat. I am not really into cookie-cutter pop music that all sounds the same or songs that are just too noisy. I prefer chilled tunes that let me kick back and relax, not ones that make my ears bleed. In this answer, 3 idioms are used. Let's understand them. Float your boat is an idiom which can also be used to express that someone is not interested in something or that something is not to their liking. Cookie-cutter pop music is that which lacks originality and artistic depth, and that it is designed primarily to be commercially successful. It appeals to the widest possible audience. Make my ears bleed is an idiom that means something is unpleasantly loud or harsh. It's often used to describe music that is too loud.
Do you often listen to one type of music?
I am not picky when it comes to music, but I do tend to stick to my favorites. Maybe I am all about rap when I am pumping iron at the gym, or I like to blast some old-school rock when I am cruising down the highway. Stick to your favorites. This means to continue listening to the music or artists that one already knows and likes, rather than trying new things.
What music do your friends like?
My crew seems to have similar taste in music, but there are a few differences. I all dig indie and alternative jams, but some of my friends like mainstream pop and hip-hop that I am not really feeling. Dig in this context. Dig means to enjoy or like something. It can also refer to someone who has a deep understanding or appreciation of something.
What's the most popular type of music where you live?
Where I live, hip-hop and pop music are the kings. I hear these everywhere I go, from bars to restaurants to the radio. It's just part of the local culture, and everyone seems to love it. King. This idiom means the dominant or most popular thing in a certain context. For example, Madonna is the queen of pop music.
Which singer or musician would you like to see in person?
I want to see a legendary performer, A.R. Rahman, who can really rock the house. I am looking for a concert that'll blow my mind and make me forget all my troubles for a while. Blow your mind. This means to completely impress or astound someone. It can also be used to describe a transformative experience or something that completely changes someone's perspective. That's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe for informative content related to Ielts. Drop your comment about this video. Enjoy your learning. Bye.